Hi everyone, welcome to our next festive food video, and today we have this interesting design. Now, I was joking yesterday that it looked like a sandcastle with tomatoes and lettuce on, but actually no, these are obviously orange wedges which we're going to start by doing. And we can make a sort of, I thought, a chocolate orangey cake. I know it isn't very Christmassy looking, but chocolate orange in the UK is very much a Christmas treat. I'm trying to choose my orange. I think we're going to go for this one. This is the orange glaze. I'm going to start with that one for our peel. Chocolate orange is a, it's a spherical so the chocolate I don't know, you may or may not get it. So the chocolate is rounded like a ball, and the ball is made of little segments. It's like an orange of chocolate segments, and the chocolate is orange chocolate flavoured, you know, orange flavoured chocolate. It is delicious. Now, I don't eat milk chocolate, cadmium orange, so I can't eat it, but they are rather good. And you can get a vegan equivalent of orange flavoured segments, I think. My sister sells them in her shop. Now I'm trying to work out what to do with this bit of stuff. I think this is going to be the chocolate. So I'm just trying to find, my pencils are all in the funny order. Oops. Let's do this colour for our chocolate. Oops. I'm going to use this. This is the Nougat, it's called. Now, it's a funny name for this. So this bit I'm just going to colour. I mean, chocolate doesn't really look like this, but I want it to be chocolate. So it's going to be like a chocolate cream, I guess. It's just splodgy. It's sort of chocolate buttercream, let's say. Gosh, I've completely lost my train of thought. Oh well, never mind. I'm trying to think of what colour to do the cake stand. I'm thinking, can I get away with orange? Because we aren't going to have lots of orange on here, because our sort of cakey bits are going to be in cake colour. It's not going to be a chocolate coloured cake. And then so I'm going to put these bits from the top to look like a sort of chocolate glaze. And sort of ignore those vertical lines. Like that. Yeah, I've just written to BenQ about my lamp, which I switched it off and on again, hoping that that might just help it. But they had offered to repair it, my other lamp that was doing this, and because of all the kitchen building work, I just cannot cope with trying to organise that as well. But now I'm like, yeah, please do it, but I need to replace them one at a time because I can't be without a lamp at all. This is the green gold, sorry. I'm going to use it for the cake, but I'm going to make the cake slightly darker here and then lighter towards the middle. I don't know if this is the right colour for cake, really. Oh well, I've started now. Maybe we'll do the underneath bit a different colour, and we can pretend this is something else. What would be this colour? I don't know. Yeah, let's do I think this brown is a better one. The brown ochre makes a better cake colour. Yeah, so they can arrange, because it's under warranty, they can arrange to collect it, repair it, or send a replacement of one that's been repaired. So I won't get a new one, but I'll get a repaired one, which is fine. Absolutely, as long as it works, you know. There we go. So I think that looks more cakey. I'm wondering whether to colour over these with this. Yeah, that's better. Still leaving a little light bit in the middle. Yeah, Now cake stand, I'm going to do an orange. I want to make it look like it's shiny orange, so I'm going to go quite a deep, what's that? Yeah, we'll go for the dark cadmium orange. I'll show you. So we'll do this bit first, so really intensely deep colour here, and then fade it towards the middle of the cake stand, and the same on this one, like that. And then we want to think about a bit of shadowing down here. Under here would be darker, put a little dark line of orange, and put a dark line down here and here. And then we want this centre bit to be a bit lighter, so we just sort of fade it in, because the stem of the cake stand, it would be rounded. There we go. It's a bit of light in the middle. Do the same here, so I want a dark line under there where that piece would be creating a bit of shadow, and then fade this towards the middle. I can hear a lot of clicking going on above my head. I think it's because the heating's going off. There we go, and a bit of shine in the middle. It's quite an unusual looking coloured cake stand. And it's not going to look metallic because the orange is too milky in colour, but hopefully it looks like it might be a sort of orangey china, which again, it's not massively Christmassy, is it? But hey, I'm going to use my white pen. This is my Gellyroll 08. Put a few dots of shine on it, just a few bits. Oh, very tempered chocolate is nice and shiny. There we go. Now if that was my cake and I was putting that on my Christmas table, I'd be like, meh. So I'm wondering what to add. What can I add? Would you add some, hang on, would you add a bit of glitter? I haven't done glitter on this page. No, I think I'm going to leave it. We'll leave it like that, chocolate orange cake, and leave it. And yeah, we'll try and be a bit more Christmassy. I think it's just because there's no red or green, which is what I think about for Christmas, but chocolate orange is definitely Christmassy flavour, so we'll leave it there. I need to stop sort of worrying about it. And yeah, we'd start our new row tomorrow, so that's exciting. Maybe don't know if these are going to go out one every day. If you've got a planner day, I might pop it down into the afternoon slot, or I might leave it, miss a day. It all depends on my schedule and what else I've got to slot in for you. But for today, that's us. So thank you for watching. Have a lovely day and happy colouring.